This is room number 3441 at the Planet Hollywood, room 34. Just around there, you have an ice machine and your drinks. Let's check it out. This is one of the bigger rooms, we were told. In here there's a picture of a man, obviously a model of some sort. And then we have a double door opening to the bathroom. And good thing about the Caesars properties, a lot of them have the tub. I still remember getting a bath probably about 7 nights of our 14 night stay the last time when we came on our honeymoon 12 years ago. You have a nice big sink area and a big full mirror. Hair dryer. You've got a separate shower right here, which is pretty good. How's the pressure? Not bad. Can't complain. Better than Excalibur's was last year anyway. And then you've your separate room for your toilet in here. It definitely seems to be a decent sized room. You have a good sized TV. I'm going with 55 inch. I have a good eye for a TV size. It's definitely 55, I'd say. And then down here, you've got your fridge. Great Caesars properties give you a fridge for your own beers. No do not touchies. Got some drawers. Got your ice bucket. And you have a big wardrobe, which everything seems to be quite new and in good condition, doesn't it, Julie?
It smells beautiful in here as well. It's really nice.
Yeah, see something for your luggage. You've also got another mirror there. Table and chairs. Nice massive bed. Nice artwork on the wall. When we stayed here last time, it was the Nutty Professor room we got. Yeah, I grew quite fond of it. And unfortunately, our flight got in too late to get a Bellagio view room, but he gave us the bigger room. But to be honest, this view is excellent. I will not complain about that.
And if you squeeze around that way, you can just see the edge of the
Yeah, you can. You still can. He said if you bend your neck, you can see it, but you can really only see the bed there. Let me turn the light. Turn the lights off, Jolene. Oh, there's the fountains on actually.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see them there. So if you just stick yourself to the window, you will get a fountain view. And there's no other window here.
That's the only
just the curtains.
disappointment.
But yeah, that is disappointing. I thought there'd be like a window here. There's not. But to be honest, very happy with the room. Very clean. You've got your USB adapters on the lights. You've got your little clock here, your alarms and everything. But yeah, very happy with the room. Alright, I just turned the lights out there to give you a better idea of the view. And you do get the Bellagio fountain view if you sort of stick your head up to the window. But if you go the other way, you can see right up the strip, right up the Mandalay Bay. So can't really complain. Waking up looking at the Aria and the Cosmo every morning, Bellagio fountains. Yeah, he did good.